Smash burgers are all the rage right now. Let's break down what a smash burger is. This viral sensation features thin patties smashed on a hot griddle with either a spatula or a burger press. This maximizes both speed and flavor. Let me show you how it's done. One of the keys to a good smash burger is the protein. I recommend using 80-20 ground beef. I also like using a portion scoop for consistency and weight. I'm looking for about 3.5 to 4 ounces. I still like to hand roll them for consistency and shape that we look for in a smash burger. Okay, let's have some fun. Everything about this cooking process is very easy. You smash it, you season it, you flip it, you cheese it. Although it's simple, it's absolutely intentional. First, we're gonna set our griddle to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a little sear on this side. It actually creates a little bit of a pocket, so when I flip it over, it doesn't stick to the press when I go to press them down. This is the best time to season while it's cooking, because if you season too soon, you'll cause the burger to steam instead of caramelizing at the bottom. Smash burgers are a one-flip process. If you find that it's sticking when you're flipping, it's not ready to be flipped. Let it cook a little longer, it'll naturally release on its own. Grab out cheese, top it off, and seal the deal. While these caramelize and create that crust, I'm gonna go toast my buns. And now we construct our burger. Keep things very simple. Burger sauce, tomatoes, and pickle. Now we're gonna add a smash burger, and we top everything off. And that's how you make a smash burger.